Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility. Your Samsung must support USB-C audio, or you need a powered USB-C DAC adapter. That's the only route for analog headphones. Once done, update Android and clean the port. Debris blocks contacts. Next, remove any protective case that interferes. Plug the USB-C earphones or adapter in firmly until you feel a click. Do this now. It establishes the digital link that carries audio and prevents false detection or one-sided sound. Once plugged in, wait for the phone to recognize the accessory. A notification or icon appears. Then, open Quick Settings or your media player's output chooser and select the wired USB output. This forces audio to the earphones. Make sure Bluetooth is off so the phone doesn't redirect sound to wireless devices. Adjust media and call volumes separately. Some apps maintain their own level. If audio is low, check inline controls on the earphones and the phone's sound profile settings. Finish by testing playback, voice calls, and the microphone to confirm full functionality. If something fails, restart the phone, then replug. Reboot often clears USB permissions and driver glitches. Make sure the accessory is listed under connected devices. If the mic isn't working, try a different app to rule out app permissions. One key tip: if detection or sound quality is still wrong, use a certified USB-C DAC/adapter or replace the earphones. Non-certified hardware commonly causes faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.